Suhaila's Simple Cuisine. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to make chicken breast kebab and rice or chalao in Farsi. They both are very simple to make and both will take 45 minutes from start to finish and very simple to make. So I just came from work and I had already marinated my chicken and I'm going to make my rice in the rice cooker. So if you own a rice cooker, it's really simple and fast way to cook your rice. But if you don't have a rice cooker and would like to see how to make your rice without the rice cooker, please comment below and I will make sure to have that tutorial for you. So if you are interested to watch this tutorial, please stick around and I'll show you how to do this in a minute. Okay, so for this one you need your kebab skewers. You can get it from any local supermarket or any international stores, and if you don't have it, you can get the disposal ones from this right here, from even a dollar store or any supermarket carries this. So you can do it either way. So let me just show you like quickly how to do this. preheated our oven to 400 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna place our chicken, and I did the tomatoes as well. We're gonna leave it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Hi, so for our rice, we're gonna need our rice cooker. That I have placed 4 cups of water and half a cup of extra virgin olive oil in this bowl. So I'm gonna pour it in. And then I'm gonna add salt, a tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt. So then I'm going to put my rice. This is 5 cups of basmati rice. You're just gonna put the rice here. Of course, I washed the rice and I rinsed it a few times. I did it about 3-4 times. So I'm just gonna mix it in and close the lid. It's already set to white rice. Press it, and this takes about 25 to 30 minutes. So if you want this particular one, if you like to know the information where I got this, please comment below and I will make sure to send the link and the information for you. I'll be back in a minute. Welcome back, and this is our results. This is our beautiful rice and our oven chicken kebab. So let's try. I'm gonna get some rice. And get some kebab. Put a piece of lemon. And I made some salad, so I'm gonna serve it with salad. And this is the homemade cranberry chutney. So if you need a recipe, let me know. Give a comment below and I will make sure to do a tutorial on that. You can put it on the side, or you can put it on your chicken like this. and voila. So here's our chicken. You see how tender it is? It's very tender and very juicy. So let me taste it. The chicken is very, very tender, very moist, and very juicy. You wouldn't think that I made it in the oven. It is very delicious and very tender. Let me try some rice with it. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They both taste fantastic together. The rice is very soft and fluffy and very delicious. If you like this, try it. Please try this at home and let me know and comment below how you did. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment below. And if you like this, please give a thumbs up. Thank you and goodbye.